I've named her Azul. She's a 1977 Volkswagen bus. They're like the classic California dream. I thought it would be easy, take surfboards, carry my art. It'll be good for like creating content with it, obviously. Going on adventures with my friends and my dog. I didn't own her that long before the fires. I got her that summer. I evacuated fast because this was like the second evacuation within like a couple days. It wasn't my getaway car. I drove my actual daily car, packed my dog and my passport, and I just left. And I detached from it. I was like, I have no choice but to let it go. Saw the fires like on the news that it was literally that neighborhood, and I'm like, the bus is a goner. Like, no way it's gonna survive. I was in Orange County at my friend's house where I stayed for the whole time. And then I got sent from my neighborhood, like, Megan, like, this is your van, like, look. I was in shock. All the houses around it were burned. And then that video of the fire truck driving, fire all around it, and the bus survives. And then the picture went viral.
That morning, my phone blew up with people saying how compelling and breathtaking that image was, and how much it moved them at a time when there was so much sadness and so much darkness. If that many people around the world were so moved to see this as a little piece of something that can help them see the future, help them see through this massive, surprising tragedy, then let's take that and elevate the story. Let's take that and find the person who owns this vehicle and see what we can do to help them, and take something that was a negative and turn it into a positive.
Volkswagen reached out to me. I didn't expect it. This was the last thing I was gonna worry about. Seeing the bus get towed, I was like, oh, relief. Like, I don't have to worry about it.
We found the absolute quintessential Volkswagen owner. Megan is just absolutely lovely. She's an artist, she's a surfer, she's in love with her vehicle, she's in love with her dog, she's in love with her friends, and she's the most approachable, genuine human that you can possibly imagine. And she was so grateful and gracious. And when we offered to help, the gratitude that she had was immediate. So we were so thrilled to be able to do this for her. One side looked as all right as a 50-year-old vehicle could look, to be fair. But the other side of the bus was actually pretty heavily damaged from the fire. There were things that were melted, there was heavy paint damage. It needed a lot of work. What you see today was months and months and months of work that the team in our Oxnard facility did. To be able to give this back to Megan and to be able to put this out for everybody here in Southern California, for them to see that good can come out of this was really what we wanted to be able to do.
Oh my gosh, she was glowing. She was beautiful. Like, you would never expect that this was just being torched by a fire, burned in the ashes. It looks amazing, way better than like when I got it.
I hope they see it just on the streets. I hope they see Megan driving it down the PCH. I hope they see her driving it near the beach when she takes it to go surfing. Maybe they remember the story. Maybe they remember that Volkswagen did something. Maybe they don't. Maybe they just see a shiny, beautiful 1977 Volkswagen bus and it makes them smile. That's what this vehicle is meant to do. It's meant to lift people up. That's really all we wanted from it.